Transform your lawn into a thriving food forest and take a step towards sustainability and health. In today's world, where sustainable living and healthy eating are more important than ever, transforming your traditional lawn into a diverse, easy-to-maintain food forest is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that can significantly benefit you, your community, and the environment. Food forests are designed to mimic natural ecosystems, leveraging the biological and botanical synergies found in nature. This eliminates the need for harmful pesticides and creates a self-sustaining source of abundant food. With our perfected design system, anyone can start their food forest, regardless of their prior gardening experience or available space. Why choose a food forest? A food forest is more than just an assortment of fruit trees. It's a carefully planned landscape that incorporates various plant layers to create a self-regulating ecosystem. These layers include everything from tall canopy trees to shrubs, herbs, and ground covers, promoting biodiversity and resilience. This diversity not only helps to maintain the health of the garden but also provides a year-round yield of different fruits, vegetables, and herbs, reducing the household's reliance on store-bought goods in the industrial food complex. Economic and ecological benefits. By adopting a food forest, you contribute to a sustainable future in several ways. Economically, you reduce your grocery bills and dependence on commercially farmed produce, which is often laden with chemicals and transported over long distances, adding to your carbon footprint. Ecologically, you help increase local biodiversity, improve soil health, and aid in carbon sequestration, all of which are crucial for combating climate change. Our system, making food forests accessible. We believe that creating a food forest should be achievable for everyone. That's why we've developed a design system that simplifies the process of starting and maintaining a food forest. Our plans are scalable and adaptable to any climate, making it possible for individuals, families, and communities worldwide to benefit from their own sustainable food source. Community and health impacts. Food forests foster a sense of community by encouraging local food production and sharing. They also promote healthier lifestyles by providing easy access to fresh, organic produce. Furthermore, engaging with nature through garden-based activities can improve mental health and physical well-being. Transforming your lawn into a food forest is a powerful step towards self-sufficiency, sustainability, and health. With our easy-to-implement system, you can start reaping the ecological and economic benefits of a food forest. Join the movement to decentralize food production and take control of your food supply, all while enhancing your local ecosystem. Click on the link below this video to visit foodforestdesign.solutions to find out how to start your food forest design. Don't forget to like and share the video so that I know that you enjoyed it, as well as subscribe, if you haven't already done so that you do not miss out on any new content. Grow food, not lawns.